boys and girls. Welcome to the fastest virtual reading tutorial class. I hope you are as ready as I am to start learning and have fun. We're in this together. After this course, I really expect you to read fast using the techniques that we are about to learn.
Oh, but I have escaped that dinosaur.
First off, my name is Casey, or you may call me Miss Casey, and I'll be your teacher for today. So again, I warmly welcome you to our fastest virtual reading tutorial class. The sound that we're going to learn today is So if I touch it, you help me sound it out. Oh, let me hear that. If I touch it, help me sound it out. That's great! Alright, eyes here please, boys and girls. I want you to take a look at my mouth, and as we say, open your mouth and stick your tongue out. Ready? Let me hear that again. Now stick that tongue out and say it one more time. It's your turn. Ready? Let me hear that again. Now it's your turn. Now let's say it together. A is for apple. Can you say it again? A is for apple. Fantastic! Now you're good to go. It's now time to sing. A is for apple. Apple. A is for apple. Apple. Great singing, boys and girls! For your comments, suggestions, and questions, please feel free to connect with me through the email that I've posted here. And also, come say hi to my Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, please don't ever forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button you'll see down below. And also, ring that notification bell, choose all, so you'll be notified for all the videos that we're going to upload. Thank you so much for your love and support. I pray that you'll be blessed today. Mwah! Bye!